Hi everyone, it's Gaylen, design team member with Unity Stamp Company. Today I have a vintage style bird card and it's going to be a faux shaker style card. And also I have an inside sentiment panel that's just more of an insert. It's not fastened in the card at all. It's just something that we're going to throw in there where they can reuse this card later on. And so I have on craft cardstock, I stamped the bird in the sentiment and also the inside panel sentiment. I'm using a pink layer for the background and an A2 size card. And so the inside sentiment on the blank panel says, bonus gift. Feel free to remove this note and use this card for someone else. And so it's a wonderful way to re-gift the card to somebody else who might enjoy it. And so I added just a tiny bit of vintage colors to this already vintage bird stamp. It's real pretty, and so it doesn't really need very much color. I added a little bit of pink towards the bottom and the inner wings, and then I added some blue and teal towards the outside parts of those wings. And really, that's the only color I added. It's not necessary really to even use any color. This stamp is so detailed, real pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and make a faux shaker card. So I'm just all I'm going to do is I have a pre-die cut square panel that I'm going to adhere directly onto that craft layer. And I'm using Ranger Multimedia Matte Glue because it dries clear instead of glossy, so I like that. It has a fine tip too that I can just get tiny areas of glue on there and it stays nicely, if it stays nice. And so now I'm adding a background pink panel that's pre-die cut. I use My Creative Time dies for this, and I use the My Favorite Things square die on the top. And so I adhered with foam tape that bird panel on top of that pink background. And I'm using that multimedia matte glue, and I'm adding several dots inside this square frame. This is going to mimic sequins or confetti that would typically be inside of a shaker card, but we're just going to adhere them right there to that inside that square area. I have a mix of gems and pearls, all different shapes that I'm going to add all around, some pink and sparkle clear ones, and it looks like a shaker but without movement. And then I place that inside panel there loose and not attached, just on the inside. It's just going to be an added gift for whoever gets this card. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and have a great day.